Strikes are...
Doors sealed on Sector 4.
Copy that. Proceeding with rotation cycle.
Looks good. Batch confirmed.
Ensure the tension is correct on the straps.
It's secure. We are clear for transport. Ensure the lines are purged before we start the main transfer. We are converting this batch to the toothpaste ingredient.
Reaction initiated. Temperature holding at 35 Celsius.
Check the pressure on vessel 3. It's reading high. I'm on it, adjusting the flow rate now.
Weight confirmed at 450. Ready for dosing.
The agitator SPI is stable.
Confirmed. Checklist complete for this batch.
Did you check the latest batch seals?
Yes, they look good. All parameters are stable. The pH levels are stable at 7.2.
Good. The viscosity reading is also within the acceptable range for this batch.
Sample 4B has a strong menthol profile.
Yes, and the viscosity seems slightly off, quite thin.
All parameters are verified against the limits. The batch is compliant. Approved for release to distribution.
All right, these are all signed off. We are clear for distribution.
Sending the new picking lists now. Remember, strict FIFO rotation on those active pallets. Confirm receipt.
We need the next pallet moved to the front.
Roger that. Pulling it up now. Sign here for the manifest.
A little more to the left. Okay, hold it right there. Now drop it slow.
Looks good to go, all secured.
All right, let me sign the bill of lading. Everything accounted for.
Yes, sir.
Bill of lading and seal check complete. You are clear to proceed to dock 42.
All right, seal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 confirmed. Opening the door now.
Okay, the toothpaste shipment is secure.
Confirmed. I've updated the inventory count on the tablet.
Okay, last case goes right there.
Dispatch, this is Unit 4. Manifest checks out. We're proceeding with the route.
Swift Ship 7, proceed to the first stop. Expect delays around the city market.
Over.
Morning. I have the pharmacy order.
Great, thank you. Let's get this signed.
All right, 48 units confirmed. Receiving complete.
Helps prevent cavities. Active fluoride. Clinically proven benefits for gum health. Yeah, this looks good.
Here is your receipt. Thank you.
Thanks.
Shiju and Shao fluoride ions integrate great with tooths.
Keep the line moving. We have another shipment coming in.
Clear the feeder, now.
Watch the stacker. It's jamming again.
Your enamel is in excellent condition, a clear benefit of the fluoride toothpaste.
Yeah, it's good to know that's making a difference.
This graph shows a 40% reduction in cavities thanks to the remineralization process.
Ah, I see. That makes sense now.
We need to make sure it has fluoride to protect your teeth from cavities. Look, this one is approved.
I like the color. It looks like the one the dentist used.
See, the American Dental Association seal means it's approved.
Oh, so that's why the fluoride is important for strengthening enamel.
So, these charts highlight how effectively we're minimizing waste. The byproduct utilization program is exceeding all expectations.
The data is unequivocal. We see a clear link between fluoridated products and significant public health improvement.
Now let's examine the mechanism of action. The fluoride ion integrates into the hydroxyapatite.
The fluoride essentially rebuilds the enamel, making your teeth much stronger against acid.
And does the brand matter?
It's important to choose one with the ADA seal.
Yeah.
You've all done a wonderful job. Consistent fluoride use really shows across all ages.
That is wonderful to hear. We appreciate it.
Yay, no cavities.
Yes.
Payment approved. Here is your bag.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too.
The fluoride uptake in this sample is significantly higher than the control group.
Yes, the data confirms the mechanism we hypothesized for the new compound.
All right, team, guiding Tango Foxtrot 2 into position now. Confirm secure.
Secure on Bay 4, moving to the next load.
Wow, highly rated. Everyone is saying it's effective for cavity prevention. This looks promising.
Remember to brush in gentle circles, reaching every tooth. Make sure you get the ones in the back too. Like this.
Are we doing it right?